Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on some magnetic lashes I got from Amazon. It's an eyelash and eyeliner kit. Looks like that. I've been wanting to try these for a while. At first when I saw them, I didn't think they were like anything really. I thought it was just another scam in a way, so I never thought to trying it. But after my whole eyelash extensions that I took them out and I got left with like gaps in there. I wanted to try, started using falsies, but it takes so long since I'm not used to wearing them. It takes so long for me to put them on in the morning, and it takes too much time for me to get done getting ready and get out to go work. So I wanted to try these because, I mean, it's magnetic. I thought they would be easier and faster to use than regular falsies. So I wanted to test them out for the first time. So this one's by the brand HSBCC. That's what it looks like. I'll leave the link. I got them from Amazon, so I'll leave the link for them down below if you're interested. And let me see what they look like. It's 5 pairs. Let's go. 5 pairs, 2 eyeliners, and the tweezers. So I actually have I have a pair of these tweezers that I got from Dollar Tree, and that's what I've been using to put my falsies on. And I have to tell you, these are so much easier to put them on with these than with regular tweezers. For me anyways, because I'm not used to falsies. And I always thought that it was kind of with tweezers. I always tried it with tweezers, and that's how I used to put them on. But when I tried it with these types, with the little, like that type of tweezer, it was so much easier to put on. It still takes time for me, but it was easier than regular tweezers. Alright, so the only thing that I don't know, let's see, kind of scared about, oh yeah, because this is like those brushes, like brush eyeliner. I don't know if you can see the tip, but it's like the brush eyeliner, and this type of eyeliner is what I used to wear back in like middle school, high school, but I wasn't that good. Well, I don't know. I feel like it'd be harder with these than with the regular felt tip like eyeliner. So I'm gonna see if I can do it good. I actually did a little wing because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it with this. So I already did a little wing on the side with like my regular eyeliner pencil that I have, liquid liner. So, and I have some leftover eyeliner because I used liquid eyeliner pencil for like during the day, and I have a little residue, but I'm gonna put this on top and see if it works out good. Alright, so I got you zoomed in so you can see what I'm attempting to do. I have to say, the liquid liner, this one has like a funny, not a funny smell, but it just has a scent, some type of scent to it, you know, like, I don't know, it has a scent though. Alright, so I think I ended up dragging the liner a little bit too much to the inner corner, and it went into my eye, into like the little corner of the eye, and it burnt on this side. It went a little bit on this side, but on this one I think I added too much liquid in the inner corner that it went inside my eye, and it burnt a little bit. So I just tried to get it out. So the line kind of erased, but I think I would recommend using your regular liquid liner and doing the little outline in the inner corner and the wing, because it's going to be kind of hard to do a wing with this liquid. And then just do the liner for the rest of the eye on top, because that's where the lash is going to be anyways. So it has 5 different styles. They're right there. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to try and use just the top one, just to try it out, test it out first. I'm not sure if I need to cut them off because it doesn't leave space on the edges to cut them off. Like there's a magnet right there on each end, so it doesn't really give me a space to cut them. So hopefully this is a good size for my eye, but we will see. I hope it's dry enough too. It feels a little sticky, but let's try it out anyway. So, whoa. Ooh. Alright, so one eye is done. It's like, gotta say it's a little tricky because since the tweezers are metal, the magnet from the eyelash kind of wants to stick to it also. But that's awesome. Like, I don't know if you can see the difference for sure. And I feel it. It feels a little funny because it's like plastic. You feel the strip on your eye, but you can't, like, I suck at putting falsies on, regular falsies, and this is really cool. And I think it stays on tight. And that was so much faster that it took like 2-3 seconds max. Alright, so I'm gonna do the other eye. I'm gonna see if you can like time it, I guess, so you can see how fast it is. There. That's awesome. And what I like is that you can adjust it without having to like take it all the way off. You can just like slide it around to get it to the spot. And that's what I hated about falsies, that if you get it too far one way, you kind of gotta take it all the way off and redo the gluing process. At least I did. So I like this. This is awesome. And it takes half, even a quarter of the time that it takes me to put falsies on, because I'm not used to it. So I just started putting falsies on like a couple days ago. Like, I've done it before, but I don't do it as often. So I started doing it every day, starting a few days ago, and I suck. So this is so much easier. I do gotta say, this one kind of, it's bugging me a little bit on this side. I feel like I do need to cut them down a little bit though, because this side, or I think it was just because I messed up. I took away the inner part of the eyeliner, so it's not sticking how I want it to in the inner corner, and that's kind of bugging me. So I'm gonna try and redo that little piece without getting in my eye, hopefully. I think what it was is that I went in with too much liquid in that inner corner, and that's why I ended up going into my eye. But I just retouched it, so hopefully that'll help some. I gotta say though, this side is like perfect. It's not bugging me at all. Hopefully I can get this other side good too. Alright, let's try it again. Let's see. Alright, so I got both of them done. I think they look pretty good. Like, this style especially isn't too dramatic at all. It just looks like a nice little wispy set, I guess. So it did take a little bit. Like, the first time I did this one, it was fine, and I think I messed with it a little too much, and then it went a little bit up, but it still looks, I don't know, I can't see it too good. I think it looks good. At least on my side it looks good. So I mean, I like it. I can't wait to try it out for work, because I always take, like I said, it takes me forever to get regular falsies on with the glue, and sometimes I wake up late. Especially lately I've been waking up late, and it takes me forever. So this will definitely cut back time, and since I'm still trying to let my natural lashes grow back out, this is a good like support or cover up until my lashes grow back. So but yeah, I really wanted to try these out, and if you enjoy them, if you want to try them out too, I'll leave the link down below. But yeah, and like I said, this one comes with the two tubes of liquid eyeliner, the magnetic liner, and 5 pairs of different style lashes. So I tried the first set, like, which is the least dramatic, I guess. The other ones are really like, they're all different, so you can choose your liking. But yeah, and I didn't even have to cut them down. I don't know if I should or not. To me, that looks fine. It doesn't look like too much excess on either side, I think. So hopefully I'm gonna try them out these next few days, and when I start editing, I will write a little like note on the screen to show you or let you know if they work out good for like throughout the day. But I think they will, because they don't seem like they're moving at all. They seem like stuck on the glue. So we'll see how it lasts. But I do gotta say, if you adjust them, I noticed that when I was trying to adjust them and I pulled them all the way off, it took off the some of the liner as well. So you probably have to reapply. If you decide to take it all the way off, you might have to reapply the liner, or maybe it was a little too wet for me, I'm not sure. But when I took one off, I took some of the eyeliner away with it. So you probably have to redo the line, or at least part of it, to get it to stick back on. But I'm not sure. I will keep testing them out throughout this week. And once I post the video, I will put my little comments on the screen so you can see how it worked out for me. Alright, so that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm still having my giveaway, I think, as of right now. It should still be open. All you have to do is pretty much subscribe and leave a comment down below, and you're entered in the giveaway. And it's like makeup. If you don't know what the giveaway is, I'll leave it in the little iCard up here somewhere so you can see that video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll leave the link for these lashes down below. And I mean, there's multiple different brands of them, but this one had a high review and it was at a good cost. I think it was like, I think when I first found it, it was like 25, 23, and it had like a 10% off coupon or 20%, and it dropped down to 21. So I just left it on my cart, and then I went back the next day and it dropped to like $15. So that's whenever I bought it. So I don't know, it might have dropped even more now, but I'll leave the link down below for you to try them out. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.